They say cleanliness is the signature of a civilized society. While others throw away rubbish on the streets, the Rob Youth Foundation volunteers in Otjiwarongo took it upon themselves to clean up. The cleaning campaign will be done on a monthly basis.
The aim is not about getting paid. The aim is to do voluntary work.
We also invite some other stakeholders to actually come join us with this cleaning campaign. It's a voluntary thing, it's not paid. So we equate that when we have a cleaning campaign, we host this to make sure that we have a happy environment, because when the environment in which we live in is clean, we are more happy and more excited actually.
The foundation also focused on key social challenges affecting the youth, including school absenteeism among girls due to a lack of sanitary products, teenage pregnancy, and career guidance. The foundation has also extended its branches beyond the borders of Namibia, with branches in Botswana, South Africa, and Kenya. Evelyn Paulus, NBC News, Otjiwarongo.